When it comes to privacy, the search engine that comes in our mind is DuckDuckGo. And in this video, we will see how we can download and install DuckDuckGo browser in our Macintosh. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for that, we need to visit App Store. And now here, we need to look for DuckDuckGo. And there you go. Let's click here on Get. And of course, you will require to enter your credential. Alright, so here we can see it is successfully installed. Now let's click on Open. Now we need to click on Allow. And there you have it. We have successfully installed DuckDuckGo in our system. So what is so special about this browser? Why one should install it? So as I said in starting, this is very privacy focused browser, comes with variety of features. Built-in security features like smarter encryption, have got local data storage and a fire button which is going to instantly clear all tabs, cookies, cache and history for maximum privacy. It also comes with some integrated features like of course DuckDuckGo search engine, email protection, password management and many more. So let's click here on Let's Do It. And now here you can see the thing that I was mentioning. It comes with all these capability, and if you are impressed, you can make it your default. But I would recommend you to first try it. So let's click on Skip. And now I do not want to import anything, so I'm gonna click on Skip and then let's click on Next. And now here it says no targeted ad, no target recommendation, just your video. So that's even better, This means that this browser is shielding you from getting tracked. Now let's click on Next. Now again, it is asking to customize. For the time being, I'm going to click on skip, and then click on start browsing. And there we have it. Alright, so here it is asking us to, search something, which of course we can. So we clicked on surprises and then this is what it searched. And search result, I would say from my experience, it is not as good as Google search, but at the same time, since this is privacy focused, so I would say it totally depends on what your priority is. So let's say if I look for the Mac Essential, let's see if it can find out my channel, and there we go. It can. Now let me actually go here in settings. So there is a reason why I went to its setting, because this browser is neither Chromium based or neither Firefox based. I would say still it is okay to be Firefox based, but DuckDuckGo went even a step ahead and they made this browser WebKit based on Safari. And Safari, in my opinion itself, is quite a privacy focused browser. So they have chosen a very solid platform to build the building. And since this is Safari based, so it is also optimized and efficient for Macintosh. However, when we talk about some of its limitation, then I would say DuckDuckGo unfortunately doesn't come with a ton of extension that you're going to see in case of Chrome or Firefox. So that's a kind of limitation, I would say. But if you are a privacy focused, then I would say this is the way to go. And let's also explore here DuckDuckGo player, which kind of make sure that you are not getting tracked, as we discussed in starting. DuckDuckGo not only offers you a very good privacy, but it also comes with AI capability, so it's not like it is lagging behind in terms of features, but yes, it will put privacy first instead of features. So if you are looking for these kind of capability, then DuckDuckGo browser is way to go. And that's also wrap up this video, guys. Hope that you find this helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential for more such productivity content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.